Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. We're going to take a look at the latest microstructure for Natgas. The situation hasn't really changed. We're still printing higher highs and higher lows. The market already last week reached the resistance area for wave C in this wave 2 corrective rally. Quick reminder where we come from. We've been tracking a 5-wave move to the downside into the August lows. Current idea is that a wave 2 corrective rally is unfolding. So far, a third wave to the downside cannot be confirmed. Not one of the previous swing lows has been broken. So the short-term upside move in this C wave to the upside is still unfolding. Would like to discuss with you my latest thoughts around microstructure for this C wave. And it is ambiguous, as I said to you before, but my thoughts based on the latest microstructures are that we might now be working on wave C of 2. This move up as well could simply be an ABC structure instead of a 5-wave move, because this is so choppy. Okay, I think we might go with that, so that we have wave 1 as an ABC structure, yeah, because you have so much overlap here, and then the wave 2 bottomed on the 10th of September, wasn't very deep for a wave 2. And then this move up would be an ABC structure in wave 3. So this is my, let's say these are my thoughts around this microstructure in a diagonal, okay? So that means the third wave is now working on wave C, then we could get a wave 4 and maybe a short wave 5. This is probably the best count I have at the moment. We have to be aware though that this C wave can top at any point, and there is a very clear invalidation point that comes with this scenario. The very first invalidation point for the microstructure itself is the B wave low, which possibly formed here at $2.23. I mean, that's the local invalidation point. And then we have one underneath, because okay, if we break below it, okay, maybe wave B is still unfolding, but then this wave 2 is the invalidation point, the next one, at around $2.12. So it's $2.23 and $2.12 are the key levels against which the focus could be on higher. And the next resistances are already on the chart: $2.44, $2.59, $2.84. And at the moment, the short-term trend is clearly up, and we're waiting for a signal that the upside momentum is starting to break down. So far, not happening. So short-term trend is still up against those levels that I mentioned. Next resistances structurally, I don't think there are any more meaningful ones. Maybe up here, 244, which is in line with a 50% retracement. But if we're really pushing higher like this, then the market has the opportunity to actually extend all the way up to the the 78.6 retracement at 283. That's the normally you'd say the maximum a wave 2 can do. It's not really the maximum, but normally we don't want a wave 2 to go above. If it does, then the immediate downside scenario becomes less likely, but still valid, as long as the price stays below $3.16, which is the June high. So that means at the moment we're still pushing higher. The levels against which we can focus on higher were mentioned. Resistance is clear. There seems to be let's say a couple of resistance levels seem to overlap around 259, so that could be an important resistance level as well. That's the latest update about Natgas. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500 as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.